Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another epic tutorial video. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make an epic Gatorade water bottle authentically like this. So before we get started, I just want to say we just hit 123 subscribers, so let's go. That's so epic. I am like shaking and crying right now. You can hear the intonation in my voice. That's just because I'm crying right now. Yeah, so that's so cool. Thank you guys so much. Anyway, we just hit $20 a month on Patreon. So if you support me on Patreon, follow me on Twitter, and listen to my Spotify account, because I have one of those. Link is in the description. Anyway, check it out. First 40 people to click the link in the description get my Spotify account for free, guys. That's right. You will own my Spotify account for free, guys. Anyway, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell and just annihilate that subscribe button. Punch the like button harder than you've ever punched anything before. Shatter all of your bones, shatter all of your carpals, metacarpals, phalanges, smash them into the subscribe button. Anyway, what you're gonna do first is you gotta take the water bottle and you're